Hello everyone, hello all the crypto and DeFi fans. This is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle, and today we're gonna talk about BNB hives. I'm gonna do a small update to show you my progress, and we are also gonna discuss Triforce, which is a new BSC token, which I think can go to maybe even 10x, 50x. We'll see. All right, so let's start. Alright guys, so let's start with BNB hives. I have some wax and some honey. I'm not gonna withdraw as of now. I'll wait until tomorrow probably. It's already late in my country. It's like 1 a.m. So what I'm gonna do right now is because I have some wax, I've deposited some more BNB. I already done like 1 BNB in total, and initially I was, because every time you buy you're getting like 10 AMBR tokens, and initially I sold off all of those tokens, but then I found out that maybe better idea would be to go to staking, because it was paying very nice, and I thought the token would dump, but well, it didn't. The price is pretty stable. I mean, it is oscillating between $0.50 and $1, but that gives opportunities, and it's good. So I decided to maybe try the staking after all, just to see if it is profitable, and you can do it with extra coins you're getting. So every time you deposit, let's say you deposited 1 BNB, you'll get 100 coins, which are now worth almost $70. So it's a nice bonus. Okay, so as you can see, I have some more bees bought up already, but I'm gonna buy some additional bees right now because I have some wax. How much wax did I have? It was 30,000. Okay, so 30,000. So I am able to buy. I will max out this one pretty soon. Yeah, so I can buy the 4 crypto bees. I'll have 2 left. We'll see in a minute. Every time you buy bees, of course, is a transaction, so remember to have some extra BNB for fees. Also, if you are like a mad person, you'll need to calculate it, take it out from your eventual profit. So yeah, this thing is paying like 220% per month, but there is like a obligatory reinvestment here. As you can see, these resources that I am producing, they are produced in the ratio of 40% of wax and 60% goes to honey, which can be directly withdrawn, and I mean, it can be withdrawn as BNB. If you go here, let's say I want to withdraw what I have here after 1 day, and initially I deposited a little bit, so I just deposited 0.2 BNB, so it is now going faster. Now every day I reinvest, or I buy additional B, or I buy some more wax. I'm getting my honey faster, and I'm also getting some coins, and I like these coins. So right now I'll get this amount of BNB, so I'll wait before withdrawing, because this thing is fresh, and it's just taking off. I think it's a good moment to join right now, but that's entirely your decision. This thing is risky, and I'm not a financial advisor, so always remember, do your own research before investing. Alright guys, so 2 spots left, and then to unlock this next one I'll have to I have to pay 30,000 walks in order to be able to buy these more expensive bitcoins, and they will be also more profitable. So yeah, I'll have wax because I'm producing it, so eventually I'll have to do that as well. Or I can I can just upgrade my production here. All right, let's go to the staking right now. You'll also get some achievement awards, so you're even getting it for just your progress. Okay, so if we go to stake now, which is the interesting part in this version, because previously there were another versions of this DAPP. Yeah, so it's around, like I said, 70 cents right now. Well, it was a good buy, when this thing started. I was only informed after a few hours, so the token already pumped, but the price is pretty stable. I mean, I've been observing this for a short time because this thing is fresh. So, as you can see, I have some tokens on my balance, and what I can do is I can add this to liquidity, to be able to stake. And in order to do that, you have shortcuts here. So let's say you want to get this liquidity, so you'll have to click max on AMBR. BSC scan is a little bit laggy today, and you'll have to provide equal amount of BNB, so it's like that right now. So I'll pay, well, it will cost me in total like 0.3 BNB, to be able to add to liquidity, and for that I'll be given a pool token. As you can see, this is this one, right? And yeah, as soon as it appears, here the transaction is confirmed, yeah, I'll be able to put it here. I'll see the balance, and let's do that right now. I was initially trying it, because I'm always testing everything. This is what I do. And yeah, you'll need some additional AMBR to pay transaction fee. I'll get them later, but that's I'm just showing you how to do it. All right, so I guess I can stake the whole amount. I'm not sure. Let's like get some like 10 oh, I mean, in the swap, let's get like 10 AMBRs, just for fees, just in case I'll need them. Or like maybe 5 would be enough. Yeah, let's get 5. Just just to show you that you'll need them, on your wallet in order to be able to interact here. Okay, so I already earned some AMBR. I didn't collect, so probably this is only for collecting. All right, let's see. So yeah, I'm staking, confirming. Okay, and I'll see here soon when it's confirmed. I'll see daily look for 0.3 BNB. I'm daily profitability. I mean, it's 30 coins. So let's say they are half a dollar. So I'll be earning $15 per day. I guess this is pretty good. So yeah, maybe I'll even put more here. Well, I regret initially I didn't stake from the beginning, but I don't know. It's never too late because it's still fresh, so not a problem. And now it's staked, and it will accumulate here, as I'll collect as soon as they're like a few or 10 or 20, and maybe I'll use that to compound and to put more into liquidity get an LP token and stake some more. So that's a good idea. All right, that's all I wanted to show you about the BNB hives. But right now, I'll be giving more content more there, because I was like trading, doing a lot of trading on BSC smart chain, and now I am pretty experienced because I've put a lot of time to check everything, to learn. So I'll be showing you some more tokens and stuff in the future, because it's a good time to look for BSC tokens. That's my opinion. So the Triforce, what they did, that they have like this old school music. I'm not sure if this can be heard right now. Okay. So yeah, what is Triforce? Triforce is a decentralized protocol that seeks to encompass multifunctional mechanism using its deflationary token TFC. The token includes mechanisms such as automatic liquidity generation, frictionless rewards to token holders, automated rebalancer function, and token burn. This is driven by Triforce triad of fee leveled on each transaction. Yeah, that sounds nice. And I like the theme, the old school game theme. That takes me like the past. I was like a heavy gamer when I was young, and I had many consoles and everything, Ataris and stuff like this. So yeah, I like it. And there is a transaction fee. So if you want to buy it on PancakeSwap, you'll need to set your slippage tolerance to 10, because there will be 9% fee. 3% will go to liquidity, and that's a great feature, because the liquidity is stable thanks to that, and it's like growing. And there is a 3% tax fee to reward holders. So basically it's like every time someone does a transaction, your amount of tokens will grow a little bit because you're a holder. So, and there's a 3% burn fee to decrease the supply and create higher market price. And I guess this is like used for buybacks or token burns. So yeah, so you'll receive less tokens because you have to pay this fee, and you also pay it when you sell. So in order to be profitable when you want to sell, you need to wait. You need to accumulate profit. You need the price to go higher, and you'll get some additional coins, and then you can sell, because selling you also deduct 10%. But I like it because people are hodling, they're not selling. There's also staking, which you can do right now as well. I didn't like try it yet, but maybe I will. And so yeah, so generation of liquidity is also locked. So yeah, the project is solid. Yeah, you need to do your own research, but go to Telegram, you'll see frictional and rewards to holders. So you are rewarded every time from each transaction, and token burn on each transaction, and automated buybacks. And they also have like NFTs, so this is what also led me to check this out, and eventually after like just a couple of minutes I decided to buy. So yeah, and the roadmap, as you can see, this is freshly started, and the phase 1, which will be announced as soon as token reaches over. Probably it will be announced in like a minute, because one of the admins promised that they will move the phase 1. That it was supposed to take place on Monday, but he said that, well, if the price will go higher, he will do it faster. and I bought, I bought like I have already double my money. No, but no, I will also have to deduct some to pay the fees. All right, and it's still early, so they'll get full audit, listings on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, NFT collection series, farming and staking. There will be some a second token partnership with Axios and Magic and other tokens, large scale marketing. And I was talking to one of the admins, then he told me that large scale marketing starts from Monday. Because yeah, that's so well we can expect this thing taking off after the weekend. That's only an assumption, of course. Remember, I'm only speculating here, just my thoughts. Do your own research, guys. All right, so you can also go to staking, and you'll see. I wanted to buy more, but I was waiting for the lower price, and there was one small dip, but I'll decide tomorrow what to do. And you can stake this here as well under this address. I'm not sure if it's yeah, it's here. It's somewhere here. This one, or yeah, maybe this one for this one. Okay, guys, I guess that's it. Take care. Be healthy in this difficult times. And before you do anything, just do your research. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.